Advanced technology can change the size of a hole from to different sides. Fast process with high precision results, truly amazing. This machine makes metal chains fast and precise. This machine trims excess component leads on a PCB. Fast, clean, and highly precise in one process. This machine cuts and shapes blades from metal sheets fast, precise, and efficient. Metal wire is shaped into springs automatically fast, clean, and highly precise. Not just machines, human hands are incredibly fast and skillful too. This machine prints labels on paint buckets automatically fast, clean, and precise. This press machine shapes metal sheets into bowls fast, clean, and precise in one press. This automated machine cracks eggs rapidly, separating yolk and white cleanly. Efficient, hygienic, and highly precise. This tool arranges eggs fast, neat and efficient. This machine slices thin and rolls automatically, neat and fast results. This tool installs the tire quickly, neat and precise. This machine bends metal with high precision, automatically following the desired shape. The process is fast, and the results are neat and consistent every time. This machine forms metal wire into springs with high precision. Each coil is made automatically with uniform size and neat alignment. The process is fast and efficient, ideal for mass production. The result is strong, consistent, and ready to use. This tool is operated manually by skilled hands, where every movement determines the final shape. Even a small mistake can change the result. It requires high precision, speed, and experience to keep it neat and consistent. This machine peels coconuts quickly and neatly, separating the husk from the flesh efficiently. The process is practical and speeds up the work. This machine turns irregular wood into a perfect round shape quickly. The process is powerful, precise, and produces clean, smooth results. This machine precisely cuts solid material using a high-pressure water jet, creating detailed shapes smoothly and accurately. This machine pulls out trees with their roots fast and efficient. This machine rolls grass like a spider, wrapping its prey fast and neat. This machine shakes the tree so the fruit falls quickly and is neatly collected. This machine lifts and rotates the cow, making handling safer and the care process much easier and more efficient. This modern harvesting machine moves smoothly across the vast field, cutting and collecting crops quickly. In a single pass, heavy work becomes more efficient and time-saving. This powerful tractor moves in perfect lines, preparing the soil with precision. Each pass creates neat rows, making planting faster, easier, and more efficient. This tool plants seedlings automatically, quickly, and neatly. Each plant is placed with precise spacing.